What's going on YouTube? Jeremy Funderburk here. And if you have been wondering, how do you create strong offers for your business, offers that are so strong that people feel stupid if they don't take advantage of it, then this video is for you. But before we jump into it, like, subscribe, and let's go. Awesome, y'all. So today, we're talking all about offers and how to create them, right? I just want to give you guys a really quick blueprint for you to be able to create offers that are going to appeal to your ideal clients and that's going to make them want to do business with you almost immediately, right? And this is going to be absolutely essential for you to scale your business. But if you're going to create offers that actually sell, offers that can make you $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 per year, there's a couple steps you need to take. And as always, please forgive the sloppy handwriting. But the first thing you need to figure out is who is your audience? Who is your audience? This is foundational because it doesn't matter how incredible of an offer is if you're not putting it in front of the right audience. As an example, maybe you are a Facebook ads agency and your offer is you're going to help someone sell 3 more cars every single month, just as an example. Well, if I'm a starting car dealer, well, then that might be a good offer. But if I'm a realtor, that offer has absolutely nothing to do with me. So for one audience, new car dealers, that could be a good offer, but for a realtor, it doesn't make sense. Weird example, but I say that because that's how people are going to feel with your offer if you don't identify who your audience is. Until you get locked in and clear on who your ideal audience is, who your ideal client is, nothing else matters. So the first thing you have to do is identify who is your audience. All right. Now, once you figure that out, you can figure out where they are now. Where they are now. What do I mean by that? Because a lot of people might be like, oh, well, they're hanging out in Facebook groups and LinkedIn, and people think about that, and that's cool. That's typically what marketers talk about when they ask, where's your ideal audience at? But that's not what I'm talking about when it comes to creating your offers. What I'm talking about is what's their current situation? What pain points are they dealing with? If you are starting with a new car dealer, your ideal client, how many cars are they selling right now? If your niche was realtors, how many homes are they selling right now? If they're a chiropractor, how many adjustments are they doing right now? Where are they right now? Because once you identify who your audience is, you want to know exactly where they are when you're making this offer. Because all chiropractors might not be your client. All realtors might not be your ideal client. You have to figure out your ideal client, where they are right now. And after that, just as important, you need to figure out where they want to be. Where do they want to be? Who's your ideal client? What's their current situation? And where do they want to get to? This is going to be huge because your offer is going to be the thing that takes them from where they are to where they want to be. Now, once you start to nail those things and all that's covered, you have to actually start building out the pieces to your offer. So there will be specific problems that they're facing. So these problems are problems your offer needs to fix. Problems that your offer needs to fix. Whatever those things are, they're not ranking high enough in the search results. They don't have enough time to post on social media. They don't have enough time to manage the conversations. They don't have someone that can answer the phones, right? They spend too much time with unqualified leads. Whatever the problems are, your offer needs to fix those things. So create a list of the problems that your offer needs to fix. And the important part, the part that you all want to know, this is huge. How much do I charge for my offer? Well, that depends. How much is that transformation, that change worth? If you help them get to here, what is that going to be worth to them? If you're going to help a realtor sell 5 more homes every single month, and on average they make $5,000 commission per home they sell, well, 5 homes times 5,000, that's $25,000 in commissions they're going to make. So if I can help them sell an additional 5 homes, that's an extra $25,000 a month. So if your offer is less than that transformation and they're going to get a return, that's great. Ideally, you want your offer to deliver 10x the value, but at the very least, you want to deliver a 2x return. So if they pay you $3,000, at the very least, you should be able to help them get $6,000. Ideally, you want them to be able to make $30,000. But you need to figure out how much is this transformation that you're going to make for your client worth. So figure out who your ideal client is, their current situation, where they want to be, what problems you need to fix for them to help them achieve that result, and then how much that result is worth. And that will help you develop and build your offer. But it can't just stop there. Because after you start to piece everything together, you need to be able to clearly portray what your offer is and the value. You need to be able to, in one sentence, state your offer in a way that it appeals to your ideal client and gives them the full messaging. So you need to create what is called an elevator pitch. You need to create an elevator pitch. And what an elevator pitch is essentially, imagine you're getting on the elevator and your ideal client gets on the elevator with you. And as you're going to your floor, they ask, what do you do? In this one sentence, this one pitch, you need to be able to explain to your ideal client exactly what you do, so that way they understand it before you get to your floor. So it needs to happen like that. So here's your recipe for designing your elevator pitch. It will be, I help, whatever your niche is, I help niche get desired results, whatever that result is that they want, where they want to be, without whatever roadblock or challenges or problems that they're facing. I help niche get desired result without their roadblocks by, and this last piece is key. This is what puts you in a category of 1, which makes it hard for them to shop you and treat you like a commodity. By whatever your unique method is. So whatever your system is to help them get that result, you need to give it a name. So like with instant scale media, we have instant conversion funnels. We create instant conversion funnels for people. I help you 3 to 5x your revenue by using instant conversion funnels, right? It's actually, we help e-commerce brands 3 to 5x their revenue in 90 days by leveraging instant conversion funnels or our sales conversion authority system. You need to create the name of your system, something that only you do, so that way if they try to research somebody else who can do it cheaper, they don't find anything. So I help Mitch get desired result without whatever roadblocks they're facing by a unique method. Maybe you're working with a car dealership as an example, or a chiropractor, and they don't have money to run Facebook ads, but you can do SEO for them and get them to rank higher on the Google search results. Well, I help car dealers get an additional 5 to 10 car sales every month without running Facebook ads by our Cars on Demand system. I help chiropractors get 15 to 20 new adjustment clients without running Facebook ads by our Adjustments on Demand system. I'm doing everything on demand. I help realtors get 3 to 5 new listings every month without having to cold call by our listings on autopilot method, whatever it is. That's how you're going to create your elevator pitch. I just gave you a few. Some of you that have those niches might even steal those. But that's how you're going to be able to create an offer and put it to your market, to where if whatever your niche is, if they hear it and it resonates with them so perfectly, because you identify who they are, you know their current situation, you know what desired result they want, and you fix the problems that they're facing, their roadblocks and their challenges, they're going to want to do business with you every single time. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you had, I would really appreciate it if you would smash that like button, share this with a friend who could also find value from it, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.